Tony and Corey here, your weekend warriors, and today we're back on the road case conversion to a mobile recording studio, and I feel like we've been on this project for a while.
Not that long, but it is a very complicated build. There's a lot that's going into this thing. A, we had to build a road case, and then B, now we're tearing it apart and converting it into this recording studio. We have a little bit of work left to do before we can finish the final assembly. We have to put our audio jacks in these plates that we're gonna mount on the side. So we have a little bit of soldering to do. And once that's done, we're gonna show you how we're gonna wire this thing up. We're gonna put the mixer in the top and wire everything in. So when really it's plug and play. When we pull up to a
remote broadcast,
we're gonna set this thing on the table, plug in our laptop, plug in our headphones, and we'll be recording.
Off to the races.
So let's do that real quick. I'm going to solder these components together. So it's pretty simple. This is the basic setup that we use in our regular recording studio, except we're taking it on the road. What we have is a 4-channel mixer and a stereo headset amplifier. There's an XLR jack and a headphone jack. So from the XLR, we've soldered on the wires to go to the inputs on here. And the other side, which is the TRS
headphone jack,
those are wired in and plugged into our stereo amplifier, 4-channel amplifier. And then from the input of this goes back to the mixer. So the headphones out goes into this and then splits it 4 ways into all of the headphones jacks. So now we just have to put it all together. All right, we're almost done and we're ready to hook everything up, but I wanted to point out that we actually used hook and loop fabric. The fabric is more of the loop. So what we did was we put some hook fabric on the bottom of this, or it's like a stick-on. So then when we set the mixing board down on top, it's not gonna move anywhere.
It does not easily come back up once it goes down either. So once it's down, it's down.
Let's figure out a good place for this.
All right, so what are you doing out here with Par Lumber today? What's going on other than meet and greet?
We're giving away some hats, we're giving away some buckets, and we're telling people that the best place to buy building material supply is at Par Lumber in Springfield, yeah.
Well, there you have it. We got it set up in record time. We're doing our live remote today from this really cool event. Turned out really good, Tony.
I'll tell you what, not only did it turn out good, everything works. It looks absolutely amazing. It's as functional and great looking as we could possibly have wanted it to be. This is going to do everything we need it to do for as long as we need to do it going forward, and I'm super excited about it.
We hope you found this video helpful.
If you did, like and subscribe below. This has been another episode of Your Weekend Warriors.
We'll see you next time.